bathtub or sink drain clogged? Let's fix that with some tips from our team of experienced service technicians. If the water is slow to drain, it's most likely because hair is stuck in the drain. This is an easy fix. You'll need a zip strip, a cheap tool available at any home goods retailer that's specifically designed to remove hair from drains. You'll also want to have a plastic bag or garbage bag. First, remove the drain cap or the drain stopper. Depending on the type of stopper, you may need to lift it or unscrew it. See if you can spot the blockage by looking down the drain. Next, push the zip strip down into the drain and pull it back out. The strip will grab the hair and remove it. Use the plastic bag to gather the hair once you've pulled it from the drain. You'll want to repeat this step several times until the zip strip comes out of the drain free of hair. Now run water and see how the drain is working. If it's draining well, you're done. If the drain is fully clogged, meaning no water is draining out, and you've tried the zip strip, you may need to use a plunger. Most retail stores have sink plungers, usually smaller than plungers for toilets. To plunge your sink, place the plunger in the clogged sink and slowly compress it, allowing the air to move out and for water to fill the plunger. Make sure the plunger presses against the sink or tub and forms a good seal. Then slowly push down on the plunger, forcing water down into the drain. Then gently pull the plunger back up without breaking the seal against the sink or tub. If you have a good seal, one push and pull motion should work, but it could take up to 3 times. Unclogging a toilet. Clogged toilets happen. If your toilet is clogged, here are some tips from our team of experienced service technicians. If your toilet isn't flushing, the easiest fix is to use a plunger. To effectively plunge a toilet, you'll want to slowly compress it, allowing the air to move out and for water to fill the plunger. Next, make sure the plunger presses against the bowl of the toilet and forms a good seal. Then, slowly push down on the plunger, forcing water down into the drain. Then, pull the plunger back up without breaking the seal against the toilet. The goal is to use the vacuum created by the plunger to move the clog around in the pipe so that it loosens and releases. If you have a good seal, one push and pull motion should work, but it could take up to 3 times. If the toilet is still clogged after plunging, it's probably time to contact a professional or place a maintenance request. We do not recommend using compressed air, chemicals, or pipe snakes in the drains. These are generally not effective, or they can cause significantly more problems than they solve. For more helpful tips, follow us on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram.